Wait, what? In today's video, I'm about to show you a 100% legit, risk-free method to start earning Bitcoin right now. You can also try to know it is available right now or not by using this video. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. I'll prove it to you step by step. Let's get started.
Wow, that's actually works! Yo, what's going on, guys? With 7 years of experience, and today I will show you how you can get free crypto just in a few clicks. In the last few weeks I've tried bunch of ways to get free crypto and most ways isn't works, but today I will show you how you can get $300 in Bitcoin just in 15 seconds. It will be super easy, just follow my steps. So let's open my Trust wallet. Yep. And as you can see, guys, right now I have only 60 bucks on my Bitcoin wallet. So let's copy my wallet address and I will show you how you can get free $300 in Bitcoin. Just click receive. Yep, let's copy a wallet address and let's open a notes. Right here I have a secret link to the best crypto exchange ever and also a secret promo code that grants you 0.005 BTC bonus. So let's open a link. I will leave this link in a pinned comment. And this is a CryptoCamp. CryptoCamp is the best crypto exchange ever, rated #1 in 2023. So guys, let's create a new account and activate a promo code. Just click in the right corner and click sign up. Enter login, Josh, free BTC, email, Josh, free BTC at gmail.com. Make sure you leave your email, password, repeat password, and a captcha 76635. Click create account. And we're successfully creating an account on a CryptoCamp. As you can see, it's really super easy. So let's activate a promo code. Just click right here. Let's copy a promo code. I will leave this promo code in a pinned comment. Let's paste it and click redeem. And we successfully got 300 bucks bonus in Bitcoin. Wow, guys, it actually works. I can't believe it. That's just crazy. And let me show you how you can withdraw it. Just scroll to the right and click withdraw. Let's copy a wallet address again. Open my Trust wallet, click copy, paste the wallet address and click all. As you can see, guys, 0.005 BTC is available to withdraw. So let's click withdraw. And verification payment required. To complete this process, you must make a test payment in any currency. So guys, if you see this message, it's completely fine. You just make a verification payment once. Click start verification. Yep, it's super easy. Select a coin. I will select BTC. And click proceed. Yep, let's copy a wallet address for verification payment. Click send. Paste the wallet address. Let's copy amount. It's just 50 bucks. Click next. And click confirm. Yep, let's wait a second. And click I have paid. Click return to wallet. And as you can see, guys, now our account is verified. Yep, it's also super easy to verify an account on the CryptoCamp. So let's click withdraw.